Repairing a gouge on a vertical surface. Always clean the surface surrounding your repair. Use the quick clean provided in the kit. Never spray the quick clean directly on the wood. Always use a rag. Once you have the surrounding area clean, take your leveler card and clean out any small splinters that might be in there. You're not looking to level the repair, you're just looking to clear up anything that may be loose. Now we have to fill this with a hard substance. We're going to use a quick fill burn-in and our microtherm torch. 2 clicks. 2 clicks and you'll see an orange flame inside the torch. Hold it approximately a 1/4 inch from the quick fill and you'll watch the quick fill melt. When a sufficient amount is melted, rub that in briskly into the repair. You can go back and do it several times if you need to. The most important thing is you want to make sure that the repair is well filled, and in fact even a little overfilled. Using your Mohawk leveler card, with the grain direction, lightly scrape the excess off. Don't try to scrape too much at once. Several light strokes will still get everything off that you need. Make sure the excess is off and you have a smooth repair. At this point, we're going to use the grainers provided. This is a very grainy area, and we're going to add a little artificial grain of our own to this repair. Once we've done the graining, we can go ahead and use the blend all sticks and apply the lighter one first to establish some color, then the darker to fine-tune that color. Use your finger to blend around the repair so that it doesn't look like a target. We'll use dark brown sapele to apply just a small amount of toner to that area. And last, we'll apply a flat, clear finish to it in nice, even strokes.